Hello, in this lecture we will take a look at the whole structure of what you get in this template. Okay, so let's go through it from the main sort of like code base for every platform, and then let's take a look at each and every platform, and in the later lectures we will dive deeper into each part of each platform. So first of all, you have this app 1, that's the main, and let's open the properties just to take a look at what it is. It is basically a class library, as you can see, output type, and it runs on .NET Standard. So obviously, if you need something more specific to each platform, it won't be able to work on the .NET Standard, and you will need to do something on those specific platform-specific code bases. Okay, so first of all, what we have in this main project is this app.xaml. So if we go to app.xaml, we have some application resources, some general resources. Perhaps you would have some design or something else. Again, we will get into that later. Nothing to worry about here. So the main thing, the main place where you will be working is your main page. Okay, so the main page is where you will start, and we will get a bit into that in the later lectures, how it gets to be the main page. But for now, let's take a look. We have a simple XAML page. If you have worked in the past with UWP or WPF, it's pretty much the same thing. The difference is that the elements are different. So you have the XAML for the design, and then if you expand it, you have XAML.cs. That is for the code behind, for the logic. Okay, so this is where you have all your events. That's it. That's all you need to know for now. And in the app.xaml.cs, you have all these events and something else. And again, we will take a look at that in the next lecture. Okay, in the next lecture, we will take a look at that. Next, platform-specific code bases. Okay, so we have, first of all, for Android, we have app1.android, and your name for the app might be different, but .android will stay. And then finally, we have .uwp. That's the main code base for UWP. So in the Android, we have main activity. Okay, so this is where we would go if you would need something on start, on create, and other such events for Android, specifically for Android. And the same for UWP would be main page right here, main page in the UWP, and that is main page.xaml.cs. Okay, that's the logic. Okay, so this is the